If the dataset contains information about performance in several periods, the Dynamic tab automatically appears in interactive benchmarking. Here you can analyze the development of firms over time. In the illustration, I've chosen to analyze my unit number 8, and for that unit I will get information about 3 indices: total effect, catch up, and frontier shift. Total effect is the total improvement from one period like 2007 to the next period 2008. An index of 1.25 suggests an overall improvement of 25%. See that the changes from 2008 to 9 is absence, so it gets a score of 1. And here we see a decline in performance with some 20%, and then again in the last period we see an increase in performance with 25%. The total dynamic effect is a product of two things, namely catch up and frontier shift. Catch up is a question of how much closer you get to best practice in a given period, and frontier shift is the question of how fast best practice is progressing or regressing from one period to the next. In addition to the information about my unit that is being analyzed, you also get information about all the other units, their total effect, catch up, and frontier shift. You get the mean values across all the firms in the sample or in the industry. You can choose which unit you want to analyze, specifically up here. You can also choose the condition under which you undertake the analysis, so you can change the returns to scale of the underlying DA model, and you can choose whether you want to work with input-based or output-based performance measures. You also get a graphical illustration of the numbers in the table. So you get one for total effects, where you get the mean, the green one, and then my values, which are the brownish colored line here. You can choose what kind of graphical expressions you prefer. So you can take, for example, like, I don't know, you can take bars, for example. Where's bars? And you can also choose what kind of color scheme you would like to use by using this option here. So that's what you can do with dynamic analysis in interactive benchmarking.